zero filter and just glowing skin, I'm going to share the secret with you. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Manaz Effects, and please don't forget to subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much, Merit Beauty, for sending me your Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. Now this serum is really innovative. This serum contains 2% niacinamide. It's formulated with 4 types of hyaluronic acid, formulated with some absolutely amazing ingredients for the skin. It's enriched with caffeine, so it's caffeine-rich cocoa extract, Japanese gold thread root, and that provides a soothing and antioxidant protection, and it's also pH balanced. You can use this on its own, or you can use this for a perfect balanced makeup application. Now look how gorgeous and luxurious this is. So you're going to need to shake this first before use. So you're going to use this after cleansing and before moisturizing your skin, and you are going to massage 2 to 3 pumps of the Merit Glow Serum onto your face. And now look how beautiful the packaging is again. And so shake well. Just make sure that the liquids mix well. And I am just applying Merit La Event lipstick. It's so beautiful for the fall, and it has a brown berry undertone. And it feels delicious on the lips. Make sure it's not touching your skin. And then I'm going to massage the serum into my skin. Then I'm using my Solar Wave Red Light Therapy Wand. Now I'm going to follow this with Merit Beauty Minimalist complexion stick, and that's what it's actually designed for. You can use it on its own, and it leaves such a glowy finish to the skin. Just make sure you massage it in as well. So I'm going to use this in conjunction with the Minimalist stick. And then with Merit brush number 1, and it's blending so evenly in conjunction with Merit Glow Serum. Contour using Minimalist and Tiger. Super easy. Great Skin is blending out so flawlessly and so smoothly. And I'm using Minimalist brush number 1. Blend out the concealer with my finger. And then go in with the brush. Look how glowy my skin is. Absolutely no setting spray or anything needed. You see the glow, the natural glow where the light hits. Merit Bronze Balm, Merit Blush Balm to add some color and depth. Glow Balm in Cava. And just to recap, Merit Great Skin contains 2% niacinamide, 4 types of hyaluronic acid, caffeine-rich cocoa seed extract, Japanese gold thread root. Overall, my skin feels more moisturized and looks more radiant without the use of any filters or primers. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.